Just put the head gaskets on, but prior to that, surgically cleaned. Super clean, every cylinder. Got it up and down, got every little nick and cruelly. There you go. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Surgical. I don't know how they get their doctors' PhDs. Being book smart, you gotta be hand smart. There we go. 2 gaskets on. Head about to go on.
Lovely living by the sea, isn't it? Absolutely gorgeous. So there all the old salts there. Let's have this one for the Fortunes. I used to be an old salt. I was out on the North Sea of most powered radio ships for 3 years and loved every single moment of it. Here come the Fortunes. When I see that girl go walking by.
Just hoisted the engine in on my own with Sync Power with the H. Yeah, I like my music. But we kind of propped it here because the hoist, if you look at it, it protrudes out where the hydraulic is and it hits this front protruding freaking American design, and it's given me at least 12 inches less. So now I have to make some adjustments to the hoist or come up with some other contraption, because my garage door's up the top there also, by the way. I can't put a chain up there, you know, the usual hoist that you just drag along. But anyway, we have the power.